Welcome to Learning New Words with the Link. Today we're going to talk about words that start with the sound I. If you have a look at the picture, in the top left-hand corner is the letter I. When we write a word that has the sound I in it, this is the picture that we use. On the right-hand side of that is a picture of an animal called an impala. Can you hear the I at the beginning of impala? An impala is a kind of buck that we find in South Africa. Then there's a picture of an insect. Can you hear the I at the beginning of the word insect? This insect is a fly. Insects have 6 legs and they have wings. Can you think of any other insects? How about a bee, a cockroach, a ladybird, or even a butterfly? They are all insects. To the right of the insect, in the middle of the picture, is a bag of iwisa. Iwisa is a kind of millie meal or maize meal that we cook and eat. Can you hear the I in iwisa? To the right of the iwisa is a picture of a pen, and inside the pen is some ink. The yellow arrow is pointing to where the ink is inside the pen. When we write with a pen, it's the ink that comes out of the pen and allows us to write our letters and to see our letters on the paper. In the bottom left-hand corner is a lady who is pointing to something in or inside the jar. What do you think might be inside the jar that she's pointing to? Maybe it's an insect that got stuck in the jar. In the bottom right-hand corner is a picture of a doctor who is giving an injection to a lady. Can you hear the I at the beginning of the word injection? Sometimes injections can be a little bit sore, but only for a very, very short while. Injections can help us to feel better if we're sick, or they can stop us from getting sick at all. Injection. I'd like you to have a look around the house or outside and see if you find anything that starts with the sound I.